Industry 5.0 deployment in smart cities will bring about a substantial transformation. Future smart cities will be developed thanks to millions of connected devices, such as sensors, smart homes, electric vehicles, EVs, and augmented reality gadgets. You can find the information you require without searching for it, whether it be about structures, landmarks, or public transportation. Augmented reality can be used to explain your surroundings. Imagine you want to know a restaurant's opening times just by looking at the building. Wi-Fi can be used to connect to sensor data that is already available, and 5G can be used to superimpose any relevant information on top of the real environment. Think about the effect this will have on how people interact with their environment. With the help of AR smart glasses, you can access 3D digital twin data of entire cities or specific items, and they will display any pertinent visual text. This is quite helpful for training. Smart cities will be made possible through augmented reality. It simply requires lightweight AR glasses, unlike VR, which also requires large headsets. Big data and digital solutions are used by smart cities to improve the quality of public services and citizen welfare through a network of interconnected devices and machines.